Hello from Portistead. We found this random spot. We're just going to walk to Portistead Beach. It's definitely down this way. Check this old tractor or car. Look at that. I think the path to Portistead Beach is this way. The plan is just to see Portistead Beach and then see the marina. The marina is a different area, we have to drive again. I want to show you the beach, see what it's like, and me. And also, here we have Portistead Yacht and Sailing Club. So we're going to be walking down there. Got the hill to the main road. Hopefully we'll see a nice beach at Portistead here. Hopefully the beach is not way over in the distance over there. All the boats are all there in the yard. This sailing club looks closed like the Clevedon one. We see someone down there walking his dog. Boats, the yacht yard, and you can see it must be where they have the drinks. The cups are there, food, and sit looking at the Bristol Channel there. Let's see where we end up. I was definitely right, because I was thinking for a moment I could have drove to the Portistead Beach, but you know, there's a footpath. Actually, this could be it. Could this be Portistead Beach? Well, there's someone sunbathing over there, so it must be something. I get the feeling we won't be getting a super sandy beach. It could be just a stony one like this. And we've got more boats in the boat yard. There we go. Lots of boats, yacht boats. See, we go down to the rocks there, kind of like this. Yeah, that's all right. Well, there we go. Volcanic rocks and the rugged beach. Where is Portistead Beach? There's nothing immediately visible unless it's to just out there behind those rocks. A bit lost, and that's how we like it, really. We just like it. We're just turning up. We don't know what we're doing, where we're going. We're exploring mode. It feels good. Okay, so I've checked the map. It seems like this is Sugarloaf Beach, or that one there where them people are sunbathing. It could be Sugarloaf Beach, and Portistead Beach is a bit further. It doesn't look too much further, as I don't fancy at this time of day walking for hours. Oh, it must be the biggest beach in the area. So far it seems like we're on a less travelled path full of nettles. We've got apartments up there, houses with a so-called channel view. I'm sure they have a good view. And check that tree out. That's different, isn't it? We've got a bit here, looks like it's pitch black. Yeah, we can see the currents really well there, which is really nice. Alright, there's cars parked in the distance, and I hope that isn't Portistead Beach right over way far away. I'm not buying it's over there. I am buying that it's just below this hill or something around here. Gotta be careful if you're on this path with shorts on. You can get stung by nettles, so I'm hoping that's it. I think I've walked already 15 minutes. This is what adventuring's about. I'd really... Oh, fisherman steps. Oh, we've got doggy here. Oh, do you see sheepdog? I want some fisherman's friends now. There we go. This is kind of terrain around the lochs in Scotland I like to camp on. Love to see this kind of terrain. This is not Portistead Beach. It's over this way a bit more, maybe behind that rock. Back up, fisherman steps. Oh, bummer. I just banged my head on something there. What's that? Oh, who put that there? Whew. Just banged my head. Not like massively, but just a bit of a shocker. I was blindsided. Look at this. This is well cut and looked after, and we've got some kind of place there with some umbrellas. Looks like some eatery, or... And looks like we're walking all the way over there. Like, what have we got ourselves into? Well, I'm not going back now. We're gonna do it. We're gonna look together. Probably approaching a mile now. But I think it must be just where the people are, where the dogs are. This must be the beach itself, but it's making us walk all on this field. All on this field. We've got dog coming. Doggy. Hello. Hello. How you doing? Are you alright? Yeah, just giving us a sniff. And he's off. That was a friendly dog. I don't mind those. It's the ones who come to me like, ooh, ooh, ooh. You know, I look like I'm the worst enemy. So, is this looking beach-like to you? I mean, we've got a big car park here. We could have parked here if we knew where we were going. We don't even know where we're getting to the beach. I'm going to check the map again because I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy at all because I'm walking aimlessly and seem to be not getting there. The beach is here. This is Portistead Beach, but I was hoping for a beach you could actually walk on. Like, seriously, where we're going. We got someone who's camping. Big tent there. Nice. Lovely garden. This is that chilling. Lovely stretch there, like a golf course. Not green, but it's cut like it's fit for golf. It's nice. We got a path down here, which is definitely going towards the beach. But I feel as though I'm getting nowhere. But now I feel as though I'm getting somewhere because I'm seeing a sighting of the beach. We've just walked like a million miles. Very nice properties, decent cars, birds tweeting, nice, plenty of flowers and bushes, conifers. Okay, this should be our first sighting of the beach because it looks not really beachy. Ah, have we uncovered a new world to explore? Seems like. This is the beach, Espaniard Road, and it's a bit green. It mustn't get much tide, but I think you'll agree we've seen better beaches than this. It's a bit overgrown. What do you think of it? What do you think of it? Portistead Beach. There's a lot of people coming here just to sit in the car and look at the water. We'll have a quick look around, see what's going on. Fairground there, carousel. Yeah, so my feels, after being super spoiled by Clevedon, my feels are a bit dampened. We've got a cafe area there. This is Lakeside Cafe or something. We got a little pond. Lovely little pond for the ducks. Are the ducks in there? Or the crows? The ducks. No, both. Look, crows meet ducks. And they're bad boys. Let's go walk round this way and get a bit closer to the duckies. There we go. Hello, ducky. Look what's opened up. We've got swans now. Ah, this place is growing on us. Over there looks like Bowling Green. Ah, look at these swans. Are these the welcoming type or the hissing type? How are you? Huh? How are you guys? How are you? Want to say hi? Oh no, don't be doing that to me. Oh, see, they're going after you, got to be careful of them. You don't know. Swans are a bit unpredictable, aren't they? Hello, are you the good type? No, I've no food for you. Well, I came to Portistead Beach and I expected walking on the beach, but I seem to be walking on this garden area because it's more interesting, let's face it. We got the geese. Hello. Ah. Hello. Should I be afraid? Have they got me cornered in here? Have they got me cornered? Loads of these around here. Hello, are you friendly? Are you alright? That looks a friendly one. Oh, this one is like, stay away. Alright, I won't spook you. Come on, let's get in the water. Flop. I tell you what, I smell some weed. It might sound a bit odd, but I do. I smell some weed blowing, so someone's smoking in trees or something. I'm just speaking to a lovely couple. A a lovely couple who asked what this camera were, and I was just telling them what I'm doing, and then I mentioned about Portistead Marina, so they said I can park on Waitrose just opposite the marina, and there's also Witherspoons next to it, so I can go and eat there. So that sounds perfect. So just getting some advice from a local who lived here is ideal. It's really helped us. But for now, I've got to walk all the way back. Almost back to the car now, back at the yacht club. And I'm just walking a million miles an hour. We're not too far now. I can see the shipment here. The ship. Yeah. There we go, just on the Bristol channel here, Portistead. Going in towards Bristol, I suppose. I guess Bristol is... Alright, let's go to Portistead Marina.